up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I just wanted to show y'all a little fun project that you can do at home. These are some trophies that I make for various occasions at work that we give to different vendors. But with Christmas coming up, this would be a perfect idea for a gift that you could give somebody if you have some old spare engine parts laying around. This would be like a good desk ornament or shelf ornament for the office, or just you know, something fun to make and use up some old engine parts, like I said. But y'all stick around and let's check it out. All right, so these are some of the components that we're making these trophies out of. Right here, these kind of resemble a transmission steel. Cut those out on the plasma cutter, and then here we take a 5.7 liter reluctor ring and weld that to that steel. Here I got some exhaust and intake valves, and right here are some old GM DI pistons out of a blown up engine. And what I do is just kind of run the MIG welder in there across the pin and the connecting rod and jump over to the piston just to kind of lock it in place, and just holds it straight up. And right here, these are kind of like our little name plates. I cut these little 1.5 by 3s out on the plasma cutter and weld a little bolt in there for a standoff. And then we take the valve springs and kind of drop it down onto the valves and weld them in place. Just adds a little bit more character to the mix. So let's get these welded up. And also here we take a camshaft, and I kind of cut it up into a couple pieces and run it on the belt sander. These are old 6 liter takeouts. got this one fully welded up, finished product. So let's go ahead and get into the other ones and start welding them up. Alright guys, so that's the finished product right there. We'll probably put some name tags on here. But like I said, good little gift idea, homemade gift idea. Looks pretty cool. There you go.